Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you CAPM, Certified Associate in Project Management. The Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM, certification by the Project Management Institute, PMI, is designed for individuals who want to enter the field of project management or demonstrate their understanding of project management concepts. Certified Associate in Project Management Benefits. The Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM, certification offers several benefits to individuals looking to enter or advance their career in project management: entry into project management, global recognition, career advancement, credibility and validation, professional development, competitive edge, industry versatility, networking opportunities, higher earning potential, commitment to professional growth. Certified Associate in Project Management Employment. Obtaining a Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM, certification can significantly impact employment opportunities within the field of project management, entry-level positions, career transition, employer preference, skills validation, increased marketability, advancement opportunities, industry flexibility, networking and community, global recognition, competitive edge. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.